Yeah, good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Yeah, give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I will come back. Just give me 1 minute. I will come back. 1 minute only. Yeah, so good evening everyone. Yeah, fine. So I think this is the place where we stopped. In the last class, we stopped here. Right? In the last class, we stopped here. Let me know audio video okay or not. In the last class, we stopped here. So yeah, I'm continuing now. So today's date is 29 and 07 29/07/25. Now this is the today's date, right? Yeah, I'm starting now. I'm starting. Sorry for inconvenience. I'm starting now. Right? Today's class is a very important one. It's a very important one. So what exactly today's class? We'll see now. I'm starting now. Everyone, please careful. Right? So today's topic is how to check given propositional statement is valid or not. Let's write that topic name. How to check given propositional statement valid or not. Another way of saying tautology or not. Both are same. How to check given propositional statement valid or not, or a tautology or not. It's a very important one. Guarantee if you want, you can check in the paper, in the question paper, you will see this one. In the question paper, guarantee you will see this. How to check given propositional statement valid or not, or a tautology or not. In the examination, guarantee you will see this. If you want, you can check. It's a very important one, right? It will come in the exam. It will come in the exam. Let me know, is audio video okay or not? First of all, is audio video okay? Verify, is audio video okay? How to check given propositional statement is valid or not? Is audio video okay? Right, fine. Yeah, we can go ahead. Now. It's a very important one. We can go ahead now. Yeah, let's start. Careful everyone. I'm starting now. Careful everyone. How to check given propositional statement is valid or not? That is the discussion, right? That is the discussion. So I'm writing some sample. Can you see this one? Example, how it look like? Right? There is some propositional statement. See this one. There is some propositional statement. Let us assume. There is some propositional statement A, end operation, B, end operation, C, end operation, D. Implies E. Is tautology or not? That's what they are asking. They will ask in the examination, is it tautology or not? Another way of saying, is it valid or not? This is the way how the questions will be given. A and B and C and D implies E is a tautology or not, or valid or not. We have to prove. Remember, this is equal to, listen, this can be written one more way also. Same thing, this can be written another way also. How? See this one, how it is. Everyone listen, how it is. A, B, C, D derives A, B, C, D derives E or not. We have to verify. Both are same. Either they will give like this, either they will give like this, or they will give like this. Meaning wise, both are same. This is the one way of asking. This is a one more way of asking. So remember this arrow symbol, whichever there on the left hand side. See this one, whichever there on the left hand side. This one and this one, this one, this one. These are called premises. These are known as premises. Premises, right? So this is called as, right, A comma B comma C comma D. These are called premises. This E is called as conclusion. A, B, C, D are known as premises. E is known as conclusion. What is the meaning? From the given premises, let me write. Premises, right? 1, end operation. Premises 2, end operation. Premises 3, end operation. Premises 4, implies some conclusion, C or not. 3 ways of asking, right? All meaning wise similar. So premises deriving conclusion or not. Left hand side person deriving right hand side person or not. Remember arrow symbol left hand side, premises. A, B, C, D are premises. E is going to be conclusion. Premises are deriving, conclusion or not, we have to verify. If at all premises are right, premises are concluding the given conclusion, then I can say it is a valid statement. Otherwise it is not valid statement. Premises are giving conclusion, then I can say it is a valid statement. Otherwise it is not valid statement. Premises are giving conclusion, then I can say it is a tautology. Otherwise it is not a tautology. So please careful, right? So this is the one way. This is the another way. Left one deriving, right one or not. If at all doing, tautology, or if at all doing, valid. Another way of writing, remember between every premises there is a end operation. First premises, end, second premises, end, third premises, end, fourth premises, right? Finally that is giving conclusion, E or not. We have to decide. So please be careful. Premises, right? Let me write now. Premises deriving conclusion or not, we have to check. Premises deriving conclusion or not, we have to verify. If it is doing, valid. If it is not doing, not valid. If it is not doing, not valid. So within few minutes you will get the more clarity. Now some people are asking, right? So that is one example. Just I started. You will get the within few minutes more clarity. Let's see one more example. More clarity will get. Example 2. Understand everyone. Everyone try to understand. Sir, some people are asking, sir, how to prove, sir? Everyone observe. Suppose assume A employs B. Assume A employs B. Only one premises, only one conclusion. Right? Premises, right? Deriving conclusion. You want to prove, right? A employs B valid or not. I want to do, is it valid or not? Another way of saying the same thing. Listen, another way of saying the same thing. A employs B is tautology or not? Both are same. Is tautology or not? So you only say if A employs B, if you want to prove tautology, right? This is a one way. Both will be same meaning. If you want to prove it is a tautology, what is the meaning? If you want to prove it is a tautology, try to understand. A employs B. If you want to prove this as a tautology, so what it means is A employs B. It should be always true. It should be always true. Then only you can say it is a tautology. A employs B. You want to prove always true. If you want to prove always true, right? If you want to prove always true, so see the table. This is true means this is also true. Then true will come. This is false means this is true, right? Which is going to be true. This is false and this is also false. It is also true. That is okay. Remember, TF. TF is going to be F. This possibility we don't want. This we have to prove that this possibility never arises. If I want to prove A implies B valid or not, which is nothing but A implies B tautology or not, which is nothing but A implies B always true. If A true, B also true, then true. If A false, B true, then true. If A false, B also false, true. But remember, if A true, if B false, overall become false, it is not a tautology. If the last one also happening, it is not a tautology. If the last one also happening, it is not a tautology. So we have to make sure, right, given one is a valid or not, if you want to prove, this case never arises. This case never arises. Some people are asking, sir, this case we don't want. This case we don't want. How to prove, sir? Very simple. Listen, if you want to check something is a tautology or not, this case we don't want. Some people are asking, then how to verify this case never arises? Let's see this one. Very interesting. Very interesting. If you want to prove A implies B is a tautology, if you want to prove A implies B is a tautology, there are two ways, are they? Right? One approach, right? One method. Method one. A implies B is tautology or not. If you want to prove, we have two approaches. If you want to prove it, you have two approaches. Some people are asking, sir, what is the first approach? Very simple. Listen, very simple. Assume first method one. See the first approach. Assume left is true. Assume left true. Right? First method is assume left true, means A true. Assume A is true. Okay. Assume left true means A true. Then using left prove right also true. That means B also true. Using left, then prove right also true. Means B true prove. Assume left true. Assume left true means assume A is equal to true. Then using left means left means what? A is equal to true. Using left means A is equal to true. Prove that right also true means prove B is equal to true. You have to prove it. I think some people are asking, sir, what is the meaning, sir? What is the meaning of this? Very simple. Very simple. See this one. Very simple. If left true, you are proving right also true. Means TF combination not possible. So true. By assuming left true, you proved right also true. Means TF combination is not there. So overall true. Careful. Overall true. That is a one approach. See the method two. Everyone see the method two. Everyone see the method two. A implies B is a tautology. If you want to prove tautology or not, if you want to prove, right? If you want to prove, see the second approach. Assume B is equal to false. Assume right false. Right false means B false. Assume B false. Array, sorry for this. Assume right false. Assume right false. That means right, B is equal to false. Assume B false, right? That is the first step. Second step, then using right means B is equal to false. Then using right means B is equal to false. right? Then using right, b is equal to false. Prove left also false. Left also false. Left means what? A, right? A is equal to false. Prove it. Then I think some people are asking, sir, right false, left also false. Can you see this one? A implies B. Right false, left also false. Means indirectly, directly you are saying TF not possible. You proved that TF not possible. Means it is a true only. Remember, if the right false, you are proving left also false. Means TF not possible. Next one, if you assume left true, prove right also true. If you assume left true, prove right also true. Means TF not possible, then also true. Remember, right? If something is not tautology, is the only reason. If something is not tautology, is the only reason. If you can block this person, right? If something is not tautology, is the only reason. If you can block this possibility, TF combination, if you can block it, then it is a tautology. Sir, how to block TF possibility? Assume left true, prove right also true. Means TF not possible. Assume right false, prove left also false. So TF not possible. There are two methods. By assuming left true, prove right also true, or by assuming right false, prove left also false. There are two methods. To give, I'm saying to you, to prove something is a tautology, to prove some given propositional statement is a tautology, TF combination we have to rule out. If you want to rule out, right, TF combination, so what you have to do is, by assuming left true, prove right also true. Then it is a tautology. By assuming right false, assume left false. By assuming right false, prove that left also false. Remember, we are not assuming both the side. One side assume, using that data, prove another side. If left true, if you assume, prove that right also true. True, tautology. If the right is false, by assuming right as false, prove left also false. False combination, that is also true, means tautology. So TF combination never arise. You want to say that TF combination never arise. TF combination never arise. I think to get the clarity, now go to the one more problem. Now it is a real problem. It is a real example. Actual examples are started here. To be frank, these are not examples. Just I want to give some idea. See the terminology purpose I given. Right? First problem is for terminology purpose. Remember, left people are known as premises. Between premises, there is a end operation. Between premises, there is a end operation. What is the meaning? Combinedly left hand side is true. What is the meaning? Individual true. What is the end operation? If at all, right? End operation true means all are true. End operation true means left hand side end operation true. Then all are true. Remember. So means premises all are true. If the premises all are true, then right, then prove that conclusion also true. Left derives right. I think you will get the more clarity in the real example. This is the real example. Let's start. I am giving the first problem. Of today's class. Right? Start now. Prove or verify propositional statement. Verify propositional statement. A and B implies B or C. Verify propositional statement A and B implies B or C is tautology or not. This is a given problem. Verify propositional statement A and B implies B or C. Is it tautology or not? It is the first problem. Can you try now? It is the first problem. Can you try? Verify propositional statement A and B implies B or C is a tautology or not. You have two methods. Method 1, assume left true, prove right also true. Method 2, assume right false, prove left also false. You no need to apply both the methods. Apply whatever you want. Right? First method also correct, second method also correct. Some people are asking, sir, should I do both? No. Sir, should I do both? No. Do either first method or second method. Assume left true, prove right also true. Or assume right false, prove left also false. If you can do that, problem is solved. It is the first problem. Can you go ahead? It is the first problem. Can you go ahead? Go ahead. Yeah, these problems are only for employees. These problems are only for employees. Go ahead now. It is the first problem. It is the first problem. Can you go ahead, everyone? Whatever you can do, do. It is the first problem. It is the first problem of today's class. It is the first problem of today's class. Can you go ahead? It is the first problem of today's class. Can you go ahead? Verify propositional statement A and B implies B or C. Is tautology or not? Go ahead, everyone. Yesterday things whatever difficult, today may not be difficult. Today some more things will come which are difficult. Today some more things will come which are may be difficult. They may go tomorrow. So it is a continuous hard work. It is a continuous hard work. One day nothing will happen. One day nothing will happen. It is a continuous hard work. It is a continuous hard work. One day nothing will happen. Trust me, one day nothing will happen. It is the first problem. Can you try? I will give the answer. Can you try your opinion? I will give answer. Can you try your opinion? Everyone try. So I'm giving answer. I given enough time. I'm giving answer. By assuming left true, prove right also true. That is the one way. Method 1 I am following. See the method 1. See the method 1. See the method 1. Everyone see method 1. Or procedure 1. Procedure 1 or method 1, whatever it is. Can you see this one? Everyone see. A and B. Left is A and B. Right? Left is A and B. Right? So A and B true. Assume. Assume A and B true. A and B true. You know very well end operation. A and B true means from this what can I say is A is true, B is true. Then only A and B true. This is the thing which I assumed. Assume this. Assume A and B is true. From this what I got is A true, B true. Okay, I got this data. This data, let me substitute. Whatever data I got, let me substitute in the right hand side. Can you see the right hand side? Can you see the right hand side? B or C. Already B true. Already B true. True or anything is true. So by assuming A and B as true, I got this data. This is the data which I got. We got this. By assuming left as true, we got this data. Then what you have to do is this data substitute on the right hand side, right? The data whatever you got, substitute on the right hand side. After substituting on the right hand side, I got to know true. What is the meaning? By assuming left true, I proved right also true. That means it is a tautology. What is the meaning? If the left true, right false not possible. Right false not possible means it is right is true. By assuming left true, right false not possible means right true. True combination. TF combination no way. TT combination only possible. So finally T, which is going to be a tautology. That's it. TF no chance. It is a TT. T arrow T will goes to T only. So it is a tautology. Some people are asking, sir, Reddy sir, can you say the second method? Can you say the second method? You can follow whichever method you like. You can follow whichever method you like. Let's go to the method 2. Let's go to method 2. Everyone observe. Everyone observe method 2. Everyone observe. BRC. BRC. Everyone observe. BRC is false. Everyone know end operation. Everyone. This is the assumption what you done. Assume right false. Assume right false. BRC false means it is an R operator. R operator false means both are false. By assuming this one, the data which I got is B also false, C also false. Both false. This is the data what we got. We got this. We got this. Then what you do is keep this data on the left side. What is the left hand side? A and B. What is the left hand side? A and B. Now whatever data you got, keep that data on the right hand side. I think B already false. False end operation, anything is false only. So by assuming right false, you prove left also false. Can you see? If right false, you prove left also false. Means TF combination not possible. If right false, you prove left also false. TF combination not there. It is a true only. It is a true only means it is a tautology. It is a true only means it is a tautology. So we proved it. Remember, no need to prove, right? Method 1 also, method 2 also. No need to prove both. Go either first method or go either second method. Any one you do. No need to do both. So our only goal is TF not allowed, prove it. TF not allowed, prove it. Just to prove it, TF not possible. If you can prove TF is not possible, then it is a tautology, because you know very well in the implication symbol only one case fail. TF only fail. You proved it. TF is not possible. Then it is a tautology, right? If you go to the implication, can you see this one? If you go to the implication, I think here. If you go to the implication, TT also true. ET, right? FT also true. FF also true. Only possibility is TF is wrong. Only possibility is TF is wrong. But to prove that TF not possible. Prove that TF not possible. See, TF not possible, I proved. That means tautology. Here also, if right false, left also false, means TF not possible. Tautology. I think you got it. Next time onwards, you no need to waste time by doing both the methods. Method 1, method 2, you no need to do. Do either method 1 or do either method 2. This is a compulsory question which will come in the exam. In the exam, it is a compulsory, it will come. In the exam, it will come compulsory. Please careful. In the exam, it will come compulsory. Please make sure. Make sure in the examination, it will come compulsory. Let's move to another problem. Let's move to another problem. I think before going, I have to check. Before going, I have to check what is your condition. What is your condition? I have to check. Someone is saying, is there any discount on DSA plus system design course? Yeah, I think Akash it is there. Akash it is there. Akash it is there. So let me go and explain one time. Let me go and explain one time, because chance there. I will let me explain. Chance there, let me explain. Right. So if any one of your friend want, if you like EPT lectures, right? If anyone want to join the GATE classes or placement course, if anything, right? So you have your code. If you go to the profile section, you will find out your code, right? Ask them use that code. In the profile section, you have your own code. Ask them using your code. Then if at all, if they use your code, you will get the referral amount. You will get the referral amount 50%. Whatever they will pay, 50% you will get as a referral amount. Remember, if you like the classes, if you like the EPT classes, one of your classmate or family member or relative want to join GATE classes or placement, right? Then you go to your profile, you will find out your referral code, give to them, right, and ask them use your referral code. They will get the discount as usual. You will get the 50% whatever they will pay, right? But remember, if you like the classes, then you can inform to them. Next one, those people who are having some gaps, who are freshers, if you want job guarantee course, you can join in this. It is a job guarantee. We will give job also. It is a 100% job guarantee course. We will give job also. So please utilize this. These are our previous rankers. These are the rankers what we got. I want to see you next year in this place. I want to see you. I want to see you next year in this place, your photo next year in these photos. I want to see your photo. And one more, right? Regular batches, right? Last batch for the GATE CSE, GATE DA, last batch is started, right? So regular batch also there, crash course also there, right? RIC course also there, test series also, foundation course also. So you can go for some offer is going on. 80% discount is available. 80% because of it is the last batch. 80% discount is available. You can use it. This is the code EPT 595 ARG. You can use this code. You will get the 80% discount on all the courses. You will get the right 80% discount. So buy one get three offer also going on. You can utilize that also. Yeah, fine. Next one. So these are our placed students. So if you join the right, if you want to join the placement courses, you can join. So there is a right DSA plus system design course there. Programming courses are there. Full stack web development, app development also, and Oracle database course also available, and all the things. Right? Remember the person who asked the code. Right? So I already mentioned to you. Yeah, come back now. Come back. If you okay, can we go to next problem? Can we go to next problem? We done already. This problem, if you okay, we can go to next problem. Can we go next? Ian, you got or not? Ian, you got this problem or not? Ella, you got this problem or not? So someone, Jassy is saying that, good morning, madam. Jassy is saying that, good morning, madam. He is first of all saying good morning. Afterwards, he is saying madam also. Arey, Jas, how can you behave like this? First of all, it is not a good morning. Okay, you are saying good morning. Next, madam. I think everything opposite you are using. Jas bhaiya, control yaar. Jas bhaiya, control man. Arey. This person, good morning also, madam also. Anyhow, thank you, Jas. Thanks for entertaining us. Jas, thank you so much for entertaining us. I want to shout on him, but one person on the YouTube few days back he said that don't have decency. Because of that reason I am controlling myself. Few days back, right, one of my student is done like this. I shouted on him. He said that don't you have decency on the YouTube? Don't you have decency? I don't know what should I do. Jassy is contradiction. Exactly. Now listen. Everyone listen. So to prove some propositional statement is a tautology. Method 1, you have to go. Okay, it's okay. So right? To prove some statement is a tautology, method 1 you can go, method 2 also you can go. Can you see this one? One more thing, only for namesake, method 1, method 2. Can you see the method 3 also? Can you see the method 3 also? Can you see the method 3? Everyone observe, can you see the method 3? I think here 4 variables are there. Space may not be enough. I am writing here. Right? Here there are 4 variables are there. A, B, C. I think 3 variables. A, observe here. This is a third method. A, B, C. Observe here. A, B, C. I think 3 variables. Totally we have 8 possibilities. Triple T, TF, FT, FF, all true. This is another method to prove tautology. TT, TF, FT, FF. So this is going to be F. This is another method. This is another method. This is another method. This is another method. Try to understand. A and B. B or C. A and B. Employees B or C. Right? This is the last one. Let's do once. Remember this one. This one should be a tautology. This place all should be true. Let's check. All should be true or not, verify. Right? A and B. Let's see the A and B. True. End operator. Both are true, then only true. Both are true, then only true. No. 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 Both are true, then only no. No. Let's go to BRC. BRC means what? At least one true. 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 No, false. At least one true. At least one true. At least one true. At least one true. No, false. Now everyone know. Right? Implication symbol. TF not there. See this one. TF no, true. 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 No, true. No, true. No, true. Can you help me now? Is it tautology? This is one more way of proving. This is one more way of proving tautology. It may be time consuming, but this is one more way. This much big table may be time consuming. This much big table is time consuming. But this is one more way. That is the reason normally we don't cover. It may be time consuming. So it is a method 3. It will be method 3. You want to prove tautology. Sir, more accurate I feel, but time consuming, na? So in the we are proving TF not possible. In the above 2 methods, we are proving TF not possible. We are not wasting time. But here we are wasting time. Every possibility you are calculating. TT also, T, right? FT also, FF also. In this one, every combination you are covering. So time consuming. But in the above two method, TF not possible. Left to true, right also true. TF no way. But second method, right false, left also false. TF not possible. In the above two methods, we are concentrating on one line. TF not possible. Then tautology. But here, everything you are checking, finally, all T's came or not. Every combination you are covering, so it will take more time. Every combination you are covering, so it will take more time. It will take more time. Please let me know if anyone having any objection. Please let me know if anyone having any objection. Try if anyone having three methods are there. From now onwards, if you want to prove something is a tautology, this is the way. First method, second method, first method, second method, third method. Totally three methods are there. Third one is covering every possibility. Yeah, it is, I think, BTech examination point of view, third one is better. BTech examination point of view, third one is better. BTech purpose, third one is better. For GATE examination purpose, competitive exam purpose, right? This one is better. Verify propositional statement is a tautology or not. Either first method or second method or third one. Third one is time consuming because every possibility you are covering. First two methods are less time. The reason is TF not possible. We are proving. We are proving TF is not possible. Right? I think everyone got it. Now, can you go to next problem? Can you go to next problem? I think you got some clarity. Let's go to next problem. Next example. Next example. Try next example. Try next example. Which of the following are tautology? Find which are valid. Valid, another name is tautology or not. Find which are valid. Find which are valid. Right? Now I am giving few things. Option A. Option A. A or B employees. B and C. Option B. Option B. A and B employees. B or C. Option C. Option C. A or B employees B or C. Sorry, B arrow C. Option D. A employees B arrow B or C. These are the four statements. Now can you check? These are valid or not? Please verify. These are valid or not? Please verify. Find which are valid. Find which are valid. Try. It is the first problem you are doing. It is the first problem you are doing from your side. It is the first problem you are doing from your side. Find which are valid. Find which are valid. A or B employees B and C. A and B employees B or C. A or B employees B or C. B, right? B arrow C. Right? Fine. It's going to be interesting problem. I want to see how you respond. One by one you check. Worst case for everyone you can draw table. Truth table you can draw. Worst case, but it is a time consuming. Worst case for every option, draw truth table. That is the one way. It is a time consuming. One more way is method one you can apply. Just follow either method one or method two, method three. Don't apply all. Don't apply all three methods. Apply any one of the method. Either method one or method two, method three. Any one you can apply. This problem, if you can do, most of the problems you can cover. Yeah, can you go ahead? Can you go ahead? Can you go ahead? Everyone try this. I will give the answer. Can you try your opinion? So I'm trying one by one option. I'm trying one by one option. I think option B already we done. Option B already we done. It is a valid. Above problem is option B only. Above problem is option B only. So B already true, okay. But what about remaining? So let me try one by one. Option A I am trying. Can you see everyone? Option A. Option A. Can you see this one? Option A. Left, assume left true. I am following method 1. I am following method 1. Right? Assume left true. If left true, what is the meaning? R operator true means any one is true. So that means the possibilities for AB is true, possible, true, false also possible, false, true also possible. I assumed left true. This is the assumption what I done. If you assume left true, this is the data what I got. This is the data what we got. We got this. If you assume left true, this is the data what you got. Now in this data, substitute in the right hand side. Remember right hand side. Remember everyone, right hand side. You have to substitute. What is the right hand side? B and C. Right hand side B and C. What is the B? B true. So you only say B true. I don't know C. Remember, if the C false, overall become false. So there is a chance of false also. I assume left true, but there is a chance that right become false. That is the reason. One case fail also fail only. Please be careful. One case fail also fail only. Please be careful. I assumed left true, option A. By assuming left true, I got the possibilities A, B, true, false, true. So by substituting the first one on the right hand side, B true, okay, but C we don't know. C can be anything. If C is false, overall become false. What is the meaning? Right, false also possible. That is the reason A cannot be the answer. See, suppose this possibility pass, I will check this possibility also. If this possibility also pass, I will check this also. Every possibility I will try. One case fail also fail only. So first possibility I tried, there is a chance of failing, I stopped it. There is no requirement of going further because one fail also fail only. So A fail. Okay, B already passed, we know. Let's see the C, option C. Everyone observe, option C. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. A or B is true. So from this conclusion, if we assume this is true, from this conclusion, see this one, A, B, conclusion, true, false, true. These are the possibilities. These possibilities substitute on the right hand side. Option C, right hand side, B arrow C. Everyone observe, B arrow C. Right, substitute. So careful, B I will keep true. So I think there may be a chance that C we don't know. C can be false also. C can be anything. Overall become there may be a chance of false also. So D also, right? C also cannot be. There is a chance. I substituted the first possibility. Whatever data I have, that data first one I verified. So B is true. What is C? C can be anything because on the left hand side, nothing is there related to C. C can be anything, true or false. If C false, overall there may be chance of false. True, false. I think there is a chance of fail. So option C also cannot be. Let's go to option D. Let's go to option D. Can you see this one? A implication B. Assume true. Everyone observe. This is true. Assume this is true. If you assume this is true, the possibilities are A, B. True, true, possible. False, true, possible. False, false, also possible. Now substitute one by one. I am substituting first possibility. First possibility, if you substitute on the right hand side, what is the right hand side? B or C. B or C, C. B true. R operator. Any one true, true. So this is true. So first possibility, no problem. Let's see the second possibility. Let's see the second possibility. B or C. So B or C. B or C. What is the B? True. True or anything. So true. That is also okay. That is also okay. Let's go to option C. Let's go to third option. Third option. Let's go to third option. B or C. B or C. What is the B? False. C we don't know. C we don't know. C can be anything. There is a chance of fail. There is a chance of fail. Because C may be false also. There is a chance of fail. So overall, one fail also fail only. At this place failing. So option D also fail. Option D also fail. Answer for this one is, which are valid? I think only B is valid. Let me know anyone having any objection. Let me know anyone having any objection. Reddy sir, I didn't agree, sir. Reddy sir, I didn't agree. You just let me know, I will help you. I didn't agree, sir. I didn't agree. So no need to follow all methods. Follow one of the method. Follow one of the method. Of course, that is the meaning of true, na? Left to true means what are the possibilities true? What are the left possibilities which are true? To make left as, when you assume left true, what conclusions you got? A and B both having true false in the third combination in the option D. In the option D is the implication. In the option D, it is an implication. See, left hand side in the option D, implication. A implication B true means, right? TF not possible, remaining possible. TF not possible, remaining possible. Right? TF not possible, remaining possible. So in the option D, left hand side, if you observe, in the option D, left hand side, if you observe, TF, right? This is true means TF not possible. So TD, FT, FF. Now substitute these values on the right hand side. Substitute these values on the right hand side. When you substitute, right hand side all became true. But last one fail. One fail also fail only. One fail also fail only. Suppose assume that there is a one student who is completed the BTech. Out of 60 subjects, 59 he passed. One fail. There is a one student who is completed the BTech. Assume that in the BTech total 60 subjects are there. So 59 he passed. One subject fail. One fail also fail only. To say pass, all should pass. To say fail, one fail also fail only. One fail also fail only. So please careful. Find which are valid. I think only B valid. Remaining things are not valid. Remember, you are assuming left to true. From when you assume something, there are some conclusions will come. So whatever conclusion you got, that one you substitute on the right hand side. The data whichever you got, that one you substitute on the right hand side. While substituting on the right hand side, I should get right also true because I assume left true. So prove right also true every time. Then I can say statement is true. So I think A failing, B I think above problem, true. C I think I verified also, D also I verified. I think many people got the clarity. Many people got the clarity. Let's go to one more problem. You may get more clarity. Let's go for one more problem. You may get more clarity. Try this problem. Try this problem. Check the following statements are valid or not, true or not. Find true statement. Find valid statements. Find true statements. Option A. Find true statements. Option A. P and Q implies P. Option B. P and Q implies Q. Option C. P implies PRQ. Option D. Option D. Negation P implies Q. Negation P implies Q. Find true statements. So these are, I think now can you check this problem? If you can do this, you are perfect. If you can do this, you are perfect. If you can do this, you are perfect. Go ahead. Go ahead, do this problem. Find true statements. Tarab, you came yesterday. Tarab, you came to the class yesterday. Yesterday you came or not? Tarab. Ayan came. Tarab, you also came. Find which are true statement, which are false. Yeah, I'm giving answer. I'm giving answer one by one. Check. One by one check. I'm giving answer one by one. Check. P and Q. P and Q implies Q. P and Q implies Q. Everyone know, right? P and Q true means P and Q true means P true, Q true. This is the data what we got. This is the thing what we got. This is the assumption. It is the assumption. This is the data what we got. This data substitute on the right hand side. So Q true. I think Q true. I think there is no problem. So B true. Same thing, right? A also. Same thing, A also. P and Q true means P true, Q true. Right? So finally, P is true, you proved. That is also okay. So A also correct. Let me see the options once again. First option, end only. Second also end only. Perfect. So A also true, B also true. Now observe C. Now observe option C. Now observe option C. Option C, I'm checking. Option C, I'm checking. See this one, P arrow, P R Q. P arrow, P R Q. So remember, assume left true. Careful everyone, it is an assumption. Assume left true. Okay. Then, so, right, this is the assumption. So we got P as true. If P as true, what about P R Q? P already true. So overall become true. Check. If we assume left true, if you substitute that one on the right hand side, so P is already true. True or anything is true. I think this is also valid. Let's go to option D. Let's go to option D. Careful everyone. Negation P is true. Means P is false. This is the data what we got. This is the data what we got. Substitute on the right hand side. Substitute on the right hand side. P already false. False implies Q is always true. False implies Q is always true. I think by assuming left as true, I proved right also true. So I think D also true. So in my opinion, in this problem, all are true. Verify, all are true. All are true. Verify this problem, all are true. Will you agree? In this problem, all are true. Will you agree? Yes, all are true. All are true. Find true statements. All are true. Excellent. All are true. Excellent. All are true. So those people, I think Ella is saying that A, B, C true. I think Ella D also true. Can you see this one? Can you see the option D? Negation P true means P false. The data what we got is this, the data. See, this is the assumption. Assumption is this. The data we got this. We got this, right? This one, if you substitute, yes, right? So P is false, P false. P implies Q, P false. False implies Q. False followed by false implies anything is going to be true only. So I think D also true. D also true. Now let's try one more problem. You are almost okay. Let's try one more problem. Yeah, let's try one more problem. Find true statements. Find true statements. Be careful, everyone. Find true statements. Option A. Find true statements. Option A. Negation P implies Q. Implies P. That is the option A. Option B. PRQ and negation P implies Q. This is option B. Option C. P implies Q and P. P implies Q and P implies Q. That is option C. Option D. P implies Q and negation Q implies negation P. So this is the homework. Tomorrow you have to give answer for this. This is the homework. One more problem I am giving homework. One more problem I am giving homework. You should do that also. You should do that also. One more homework. Check it is a valid or not. Check it is valid or not. Check this problem is valid or not. P employees are P employees are and Q employees S and negation R, negation S, employees, negation P, R, negation Q. Yeah, this is the given statement. This is the given statement. You have to prove it. This is the given statement. You have to prove it. It's a valid or invalid. It's a valid or invalid. You have to prove. So careful. Careful. It is a given statement. It is a given statement. You have to prove it is a valid or invalid. These are the two homework. This is also homework. Two homework I given. Both the problems are homework. Both the problems are homework. Please be careful. These two are homework. Right? These two are homework. First problem, second problem. Tomorrow, as soon as I will come, I will solve these problems. Tomorrow, as soon as I will come, I will solve these problems. Find true statements. Right? First problem, second problem. Two problems I given. Two problems I given. Tomorrow, as soon as I will come, I will solve these two problems. You take your own time and solve this one. Worst case, you have to go for a table. Worst case, you have to go for a table. Worst case, you have to go for a table. Right? Worst case, you have to go for a table. You go for method 1. You go for method 2. You go for method 3. Worst case, table. Table will give full clarity, but time consuming. Table will give full clarity, but time consuming. So either follow method 1 or method 2. Follow method 1 or method 2. So careful. These two problems you have to do. These two problems you have to do. So if anyone is not doing the gate preparation seriously, if you are not doing, at least start now. See, 6 months only there. 6 months only there. Only 6 months there. Only 6 months there. Please try seriously. Try seriously. Only 6 months there. Try seriously. You have only 6 months. Try seriously. Complete syllabus as fast as possible. Complete syllabus as fast as possible. Try to understand. Only 6 months try. Try seriously as much as possible. Don't delay further. Don't delay further. Don't delay further. Right? Fine. And whatever subjects completed, see, completed subjects, do practice. If you completed some subjects, do practice. Completed subjects, do practice. Completed subjects, do practice. Every day. Study new subjects also, old subjects, do practice. Every day, completed subjects, do practice. New subjects also study. You have only 6 months. You have only 6 months. Try seriously. Try seriously. Don't do for namesake, at least from now onwards. At least from now onwards, don't do for namesake. These are the two problems which is the homework. Yeah, let me know one thing. You want tomorrow class in the YouTube or EPT? I I thought of 5 classes in the YouTube. I thought 5 classes on YouTube. Can I take tomorrow also on YouTube? Can I take tomorrow also on the YouTube? I thought of 5 classes. 5 classes on the YouTube. Let me know. I will take majority. Let's complete. Iron tomorrow also. 5 classes. 5 classes YouTube. Let's go. One more class tomorrow. Right? One more class tomorrow. So afterwards we can go to the EPT. Fine. This is the homework. This is the homework. Chalo then. Chalo, thank you. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. See you in the next class. Thanks everyone. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. See you tomorrow.